get you out of the screen now.
All right, hey guys, I just want to show you another way to train with your Snap Speed Timer. For boxers, this is a boxing neuromuscular training. And I hope I said it right. Neuromuscular training. Don't ask me to spell it. I could barely say it. But anyway, it is the effect, basically the nerves that are connected from your brain to your muscles. You're making them communicate better to react faster. So we're going to use the Snap Speed Timer app and the Snap Speed Timer, throwing an inside hook. That's what we're going to do today. We're going to throw an inside hook, one of those short inside quick hooks. And it doesn't need to have a lot of power, it's just got to be quick and it's got to be on the button. So let's just set this here. Now I'm going to look at the light. I'm going to bop my head. I'm going to react when I see the light. I'm going to keep moving my head. Now that was probably slow because my form wasn't right. How slow was it? Ooh, that was slow. All right, so obviously I would have missed. Okay, let me go over real quick the steps on an inside hook. And I know you guys must know this because you're a boxer already. So an inside hook, you're in your boxing stance always, you're bouncing, you're bopping, right? Always moving on your toes. Inside hook is short and sweet. But you gotta rotate that. If you're doing a right hook, you gotta rotate your right foot and lift your right elbow. It's a quick movement. Boom. Then you're right back out. Now, of course, the left hook, rotate, and lift your elbow. Bam. Just a quick inside movement. All right? Practice that. Then get yourself a Snap Speed Timer and try to get as quick as you possibly can. That was bad. 6-3. Ugh. 4-7-4. That's better. Dad, let's try the left hook. That's not bad. That's better. Come on now, let's break the fives. We gotta break the fives. Oh! Better. 406. Get down to the threes. Okay, so that's another way to use your Snap Speed Timer app. And of course, you can do any type of explosive training with it. And of course, everything's recorded. So, you know, you can name your event however you'd like. Inside hook. All right, and my name is Mike. All right, so you can work your inside hook. Try to create a better communication between your brain and your muscles.